Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today it is a new update of Brookhaven and how to go right now. Yes guys, it's called a train update and the trains right here. So I'm going to pick a different part. Look how it is guys. Guys, today we're going to teleport to tram depot. So I'm going to teleport to tram depot. Finally we here. Now let's start the train. I get this one guys. Let me in dude. Guys, I'm going to control the train. Now I'm going to go. I don't care at all. I'm going. This train. Now I'm going to ride this tram. And is IKEA right here, guys? It's not IKEA, guys. It's IKEA. And the old buildings here. You can see the bus depot. And both station also right here. Turning this side. You can go in that side. Guys, we're at the station. Stop it. My god. Guys, I think we arrived at the airport. I think this is the airport. Because the normal airport is not here. This airport right here. This is Brookhaven airport. Yes, guys. We stop the train now. We don't care. Brookhaven airport. Stop it. Okay, I'm going. Bye. Let the train go. I don't care. Okay. The train stopped you automatically. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to Brookhaven airport. The security right here. But we don't have time for airport because I already checked the airport update and tram is gone. Guys, can't believe this. And the tram is gone. I have to go back to my country or respawn. Now I'm in bus depot. Guys, gonna ride this bus. Let's say it's not Airbus. Guys, not Airbus. So I can drive. Someone left this bus here. I'm going to door. Yeah, guys. Now going to getting away from me, bro. Get out. Get out. Get out. Out of here. Stupid also controls. Now I'm going to drive. I'm going to drive inside. Now I'm going straight. Now I'm driving right now. Bus. Guys, we have to stop at bus station. You can see this police station right here. I need to find a bus, guys. If you don't find a bus station will be cooked. Guys, I think I found a bus. So I'm going to stop it right there. Guys, I'm running a train. I want to go. Guys, I think I made it. Look here. Now we are going high speed. This is very futuristic train, guys. Guys, stopped. I'm getting out. Now I'm going to my house. Guys, can we spawn game houses in this game? I'm gonna check. Guys, no guys, there's no houses here. Just spawn houses. We can only see buildings right here. That's it. And I don't have anything now. I'm gonna respawn. Now I'm ready, guys. Free train. Hey, what are you doing, Ray? Stop, Ray! VIP vehicles. Okay, guys. I'm going back to trolley bus. Bye. Trolley bus right here, guys. And this guy is right here. And he's yeah. Look at his bus tray. Yeah. Look at his bus tray. Oh my God. It's a monorail. No. It's a hanging train, guys. Guys, I can't believe this. I'm gonna write this. I did this again. Yeah. I never seen it before, guys. I never been to Mumbai. I live in Mumbai also, guys. And also I did not go. I did not do anything. Yes, guys, it's fake. It's out of here. But the Morgul Club, guys, is also the boss too. Like it's covered at the same time. Yes, guys, it's also like it's at the same time. So please try it. It's not working, guys. I got to get it on. Yeah. Look at this airport rail. Yeah. It's a hanging rail, monorail. Disappeared. Spot right here. Okay, guys, now I'm going to metro depot. Guys, we're going to ride the toilet bus because now I own it now. Hey, where are you going, Ray? Stop, Ray! If you see circles, don't separate circles because you will automatically teleport. Let's give him a meet. Don't go near, don't touch it. Guys, guys, I think I think I have to go right here. Yeah, I'm going to trolley bus. I think the airplane went to. Oh yeah, I'm glitching, guys. Okay, guys. Now, why am I trolley bus, guys? Who driving this way? Okay, I'm driving this. Got. Now I'm going to control it right here. Roots right here. And we're going to we have to go. Guys, I'm going to break this because this one already broke. And now broke this. Now the bus has no trailings. So I can go everyone want. Look, I broke it. Now I'm going. Now the trolley bus is dancing. Now the train is coming. Yeah. Guys, let's go. It's broken right now. Sorry. Bye. Disappear. Disappear. Ah, thank you. Is it about guys? Okay, nice. Guys, I don't know what is broken lines. I don't even understand. Oh yes, guys. This is the guys taking the Mumbai bus because made in Bombay. Yes, guys. This bus is made in Bombay. I'm taking this bus. Okay, guys. Now I finally on of the bus. Now I'm going to sit inside. Guys, I cannot sit inside, so I'm going this side. Is it impossible? So I'm going to decide. So guys, I can go front. But it's very impossible to ride. Okay, guys, I'm gonna got it finally. Got it finally. Now I'm going to go. Guys, I think this is a crowd point because it's this one no hills. Yes, guys, this is crowd point, guys. Now got to go. Get out. Disappear, please. Okay, guys. Very fast. Lighting right here. Trams right here. Guys, always night, guys. I don't know why. It's now morning. So let's go. Guys, made it bus station. Park it right here. Now I'm going to go. Now I'm going to go. I'm going to leave this train. Leave this train, break. Guys. Cannot leave this because so this is so. This is guys. This is so tiny, guys. This is so narrow that no people can't even get out. Get out. Respawn. Okay, guys. Now in bus station. I'm not taking the bus. I'm taking the car. Guys. I think this is VIP vehicles. I don't know. Now I died. Now this is a tram report. I don't know really well. But I'm gonna write this one more time. Raining house. Guys, we're going raining house. So I better start this. Guys, I think I forgot to close the door. So close the door. Guys. I'm out to go, guys. Finally going somewhere awesome. Basal. Bye. Don't get him a train. See you later. Go and get your own train. Stupid guy. I has golden train, guys. If you look at gold, it is going. I'm not going to raining house. I'm going to a different house. Guys, no. One more tram just pass by. Now we are in northeast state. Oh, guys, we need to. No, it's not raining house, guys. It's raining house west. We're going. One raining house. Yes, guys, I think this is it. I have to go over here so I can go to raining house. They're moving. Bro, the full traffic jam, bro. Look at this. Oh yeah, full traffic jam. Oh my God, the train combined and one bus, one air bus. Oh yeah, now we're stuck forever. Guys, we're stuck forever. We'll never make it raining house ever again. I'll go by walk. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Oh yeah. Bro, nothing here, bro. Go re. Stupid driver. देखो stupid driver. I hate this driver. This driver makes fun of me, and I hate it so much. So that I'm going to my house. Guys, I'm going to arcade guys and play. Like and bye guys. See you.